Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to withdraw money from a Merrill Lynch. Now to withdraw money from a Merrill Edge account, right? What you need to do is typically you just need to log in to your account and you navigate to the transfer money and securities section. Okay? And from there, you can select your desired withdrawal method and follow the on-screen instructions. So if you have a 401k, okay, with Merrill, you can also access withdrawal and loan options from the Walmart website, actually, and the Benefits Online app as well. So those are other options you can go ahead and explore as well. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.